My name is Serenity Millwood. I am in the electrical engineering department. I am a senior in physics, mathematics, and electrical engineering, all 3 bachelor degrees. So I originally wanted to be an electrical engineer because I love the foundations of how things are built and how they come into something. And then I realized that I struggle with math and I struggle with conceptually understanding things. So adding on the physics and the mathematics was a lot in my time. However, I understood electrical engineering so much better, and I feel like I'm a much more effective electrical engineer with them. I feel like when you're driving down the street and you see something and you want to know, I want to know how that works. I see that as the whole world, and then I think about circuits and I think of the basis of electrical components and the circuitry and the radio frequency, all of the invisible things that run the world that nobody has any idea what they do. So I figured, why not learn how to do the foundations? People can't run without electrical engineers. So I work with Dr. El Ghazali. He got me a wonderful internship with Extremis. It is a company in Bentonville, Arkansas. We work on radio frequency analyzations with drones and micros. They're called micros, they're just big computer units, but the drones and the micros work together to telepoint the radio frequency spectrum. I plan on going to grad school. Absolutely, I will go to grad school for my electrical engineering. I also plan on being a pilot. I hope to get my aviation license, and then I plan to own a company. I want to grow big and then help females in electrical engineering become something that they think they can be. I come from foster care. I was adopted. I went into the system at 13 years old, and I never planned on having a future, if I'm going to be honest. I thought that it was just going to be foster home after foster home, and I was going to work at a Walmart. And then I realized when I became an electrical engineer here at the U of A that there is a bigger future than myself. And I realized that I'm not the only one who thinks that way, and I'm not the only one who thought that way. So to own a business is to represent yourself. It's to put a big mirror on the planet that says, hey, I did this and this is who I am. And I hope to do that for every other girl, because the world is huge and it's not fair. So why not take advantage of winning?